hello, how are we? I am feeling amazing because the week you are seeing this, I am going to see Taylor Swift at the ERAS tour and I am so excited. I bought my tickets probably like most people over a year ago, and I cannot wait because Taylor Swift is my absolute favourite artist. I've loved her forever. Anyone who knows me knows I am obsessed with her, and you know, I can't believe I'm actually going to see her. So, because I am going to see Taylor Swift this week, I figured I would show you my outfit, show you what I'm wearing, do a little unboxing of it. I did leave my outfit a bit last minute. The outfit I've decided to go to wear for is I'm going to be wearing similar to the red dress from the I Bet You Think About Me music video. It took me ages to decide what I actually wanted to wear for the ERAS tour. When I went to go see the ERAS tour in cinema for the movie, when I went to go with my husband and my sister, I dressed up as Taylor from You Belong With Me music video, and insert some pictures around somewhere. And yeah, and I was like, I could have gone with that. I could have like repeated that, but I also wanted to be a bit more glitter and glam for the Taylor Swift concert. I've been making my friendship bracelets to trade with people, and yeah, it's gonna be really fun and really exciting. So yeah, let's just unbox what I've ordered for my ERAS tour outfit. I ordered from Shein. Everything all fit in one parcel. So yeah, let's get it open. So, first thing from the parcel of these red gloves. Now, part of me is like, why did I order gloves? Because I'm getting my nails done for the ERAS tour. I'm planning to get like the ERAS but kind of gems like to represent on each nail. So I don't know why I ordered gloves, because I'm gonna have really cute nails, and if I wear these gloves I'm not gonna see my nails, but I'll still see my nails. I'll still know that my nails are cute. And the gloves also go with the outfit. So, before I get to... Oh my god, I just realised I didn't actually order a red ring. You know, the one where she does rolls down her fingers in the music video and she has the red ring in. I didn't order myself one, and I never managed to secure one when they came on sale on the website. Damn it. Oh well. Not much I can do about it. Yeah, these gloves. I'll do a try on in a bit, but gloves. Next thing in the bag is it's just a flower headband that I'll wear across the top here to match what she's wearing in the music video. Not bad. And then final item, I've got this red dress. It has got flowers all over it. Okay. Kind of feels like a costume. Okay, that looks a little bit shorter than I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, that's the dress. It's very obviously red for the red era, but it's a lot shorter than what I thought it was going to be, so I'm gonna have to try this on to see if it's actually an appropriate length. I'm gonna have to try this one on, because otherwise I'm gonna have to figure out if it's appropriate for me to wear, or if it's too short, if I'm gonna have to put shorts under. But you know, I think the flowers and everything resemble the I Bet You Think About Me music video pretty well. Yeah. If you're interested in any of the stuff I've ordered, I'll put all the links and the product codes down below. But yeah, that's everything I ordered for my ERAS tour outfit. There's definitely some things I forgot if I was really going to pay really close attention to detail, but I still think it's going to be a cute outfit overall. So yeah, let's go try it on. Ta-da! This is the outfit tried on, and surprisingly, it's actually... I can't actually get the video to show you, but it's actually longer than most of the dresses I own. So I think I'm good. I don't need shorts on. I'll probably wear it anyway because this dress is very flimsy. So I hope that it's quite warm for my gig in Wembley, but it fits nice. It's a bit scratchy, but that's kind of to be expected with cheap clothing. But I think I actually look pretty similar to I Bet You Think About Me music video. Trying on my outfit has made me just way more excited for the Taylor Swift concert, and I can't wait. It's like, what, a week, 2 weeks away at this, well, whilst I'm recording it's 2 weeks away, but when you're seeing this I've already gone to the concert. But yeah, I think this looks so cute. I'm thinking for the concert I'm gonna have my makeup pretty similar to what I've got, but I'm gonna do like a red look for my eyes. I'm gonna wear a red lip. But yeah, it's the outfit. What do you guys think? If you have gone or are going to a Taylor Swift concert soon, let me know in the comments what you guys dressed as, if you decided to dress up at all. But yeah. Here's a look at some of the bracelets I made for Wembley Night 1. And I forgot to record an outro for this video because I genuinely thought I'd get some more footage over the weekend. I was just so excited to see Taylor Swift that I barely actually took my camera out to record. Remember to subscribe, like and comment, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!